Hi friends, in previous video we saw how to install Ionic 3. If you have not gone through that, link is given in the description. Now we will see how to build a Hello World app in Ionic. So let's start. Before starting, I will recommend you to download Visual Code and Git Bash. It will help you to build app faster. To download both, please visit description. We will see how to build app. Open command prompt or Git Bash if you have downloaded. Remember one thing, while starting command prompt or Git Bash, you have to remember that where you are going to create an app. Like if you are going to create an app in a folder or in a C drive, D drive, any drive, you have to open command prompt there only. Like I have started on the desktop and type the command given below, like Ionic start app name, whatever that is, will be like test my first app, anything else that will be, and then blank will be like a template. We are going to select a blank template and we are going to build an Hello World app. So see how to build that app. And remember one thing, that if when you are going to create or build an app, you have first time you need internet connection. Internet connection will be required that, and let's do it. Now open the Visual Code and open folder in the file menu. Go in the file menu and open folder, and then select the folder like test. I have given the name test on the desktop. You have to select that folder where you have given that. Choose the path and go through that. After selecting folder, open src and go into the page and click on html, home.html. It will be the first page what we are going to get. After that, when we are done with home.html, we can start our server. Open that application folder and right click on that, or open command from there. You can open that and right click on that and press git bash and type the command like Ionic serve -c, so that you can go to check that how our apps look like, and then it will be open in browser, and then you can check that how it is open right now, and now you can see that our app is looking like that. Whatever you will change in home.html, it will be changed here. See how it changes. For now, this is our home app, Hello World app, and for now it will be over.